pH temperature test paper function. High precision probe. 2*1.5V button battery. Operation demo. Turn on off. Put the pH pen into the liquid to be tested. Press temp Cal, P, pH, degree centigrade, conversion. Calibration demo. Pour the 4.00, 6.86, 9.18 powder into the container and gently stir. Put it into the 4.00 calibration solution. Press and hold the temp Cal button for 5 seconds. Flash 3 times. Cleaning the probe. Put it in the 6.86 calibration solution. Press and hold the temp Cal button for 5. Blink 3 times. Put it into the 9.18 calibration solution. Press and hold the temp Cal button for 5 seconds. Flash 3 times. Clean the probe and wipe dry.